Now, race number 9. Anytime now, race number 9. The favorite, Faultless Magnolia. All set, ready to race. Race number 9. Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Rushing up is entry number 10, and this one is 4-Speed Newsmaker. And racing in third is Bruno. It's 4-Speed, followed by Kayak Kinobidra, Newsmaker, Bruno in between runners, and racing on the outside is Faultless Bidral, Royal Milestone. It's the entry number 10, 4-Speed, followed by Bruno in second, Newsmaker, Kayak Kino, Faultless, racing in fifth, Bidral, Royal Milestone, Sincerely Devil, and entry number 7, Magnolia. And rounding the far 10, 4-Speed, Bruno is running Bidral, Newsmaker, Faultless, racing in fourth, Bidral, Kayak Kino, Sincerely Devil, getting closer in 6, and Magnolia as they race the last 500. 4-Speed, Bruno fighting it out for the lead, Kayak Kino, Newsmaker, and on the outside, 4-Speed, Bidral is Sincerely Devil. It's now Bruno, this time by about 2 lengths, followed by 4-Speed, Faultless, Newsmaker, Sincerely Devil, and Magnolia. And nearing the finish line, Bruno, number 8, by about 3 lengths, Newsmaker, and finally Bruno, Newsmaker, Faultless, Sincerely Devil, 4-Speed, Magnolia.